What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Ordinary E, and I'm just an ordinary guy learning about tech and stuff. It's been about 2 years now. This is going to be another upgrade video for the PC. Let's give you a quick update. The keyboard wasn't claimed on the last video, so I'm going to be re-rolling that. We are close to 1,000 subscribers, which will start activating the giveaways. Look in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications on so you don't miss a video. Comment on the videos, get someone else to subscribe. And a quick update on my bonsai tree as well. Because if I can grow a bonsai tree, then I'm going to be keeping all my giveaways. But it's been 6 weeks now, and we have no signs of life at all. No sprouting, nothing. I heard it does take longer, so we're going to leave that now. It's come out of the fridge, been in the fridge for 6 weeks. It was on the windowsill at the beginning for 2 weeks, and we're now going to put it back on the windowsill and see what happens. I also would like to introduce you to my new assistant. Alexa, introduce yourself.
Hey there, glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two. Anytime you're game, get organized, or be surprised, just say my name. I've got timers, reminders, alarms, lists, Bluetooth calls and messages.
Alexa, okay, that's a big introduction. Do you want to give yourself a short introduction?
Games, weather skills and Easter eggs. Get the news, cranks and tunes, hear the score. Wait, there's more. Link me to your calendar, I won't lead you astray. I'm here to save the day. I can bust a rhyme. Call me anytime.
What an introduction. Thank you, Alexa, my new assistant. Welcome to the team. You are now part of the YouTube Ordinary E gang, along with all of our viewers. We have, how many viewers do we have? Alexa, do you know how many viewers we have on our YouTube channel?
YouTube's YouTube channel has 2,513,781,369 views.
Oh, okay,
also,
sorry.
I can notify you when there's a severe weather alert for your area. Would you like me to do that?
What's the weather got to do with YouTube subscribers?
I'm not sure where you are.
Okay.
For future reference, you can enter your address in the device settings in your Alexa app.
Alexa, I'm not sure where you...
Weather for what city?
Stop. Start again. Okay. Alexa, how many subscribers had Ordinary E got on YouTube?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, he has approximately 1.5 million subscribers on YouTube.
That is incorrect, man. That is incorrect. Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you how many subscribers. I wish I had 1 point. What was the number? We're at 579 subscribers, guys. Maybe there's a channel out there with a similar name. I don't know. But yeah, we're going to have to work on your fact finding, Alexa. Appreciate you, but you're going to now move to the side. You're going to be my assistant. Alexa, you are now an assistant to Ordinary E YouTube channel. Welcome to the team.
Hey there. Glad you stopped by.
Alexa, stop. Yeah, she's really happy. Plays the music. That's great. That's introduction to Alexa. Hopefully, Alexa will help me with my journey.
I missed something. Can you say it again?
Alexa, you can't just interrupt me when I'm talking to the audience.
From EnglishClub.com. Although there are times when interrupting is necessary when people are in the middle of what they are saying, it is generally best to wait until they are at least nearly finished.
Exactly. Thank you. Like, as I was saying, guys, so Alexa's going to help me be part of the team and help me in our journey, learning about tech and stuff on my YouTube channel, along with you guys as well. I appreciate you guys commenting and helping me along the way as well, so please carry on doing that. Yeah, we're going to learn together, guys. We'll learn together. So, let's get on with this video. What are we doing today? Nobody guessed. Let me clear this out of the way first. So yeah, nobody guessed or even attempted to guess what I'll be upgrading next on my PC in this video. And the answer is... Let's take you over. Could have been the microphone because I have no idea what this type of microphone is. It's a condenser microphone from Distim. Actually, it's pretty good. I've not experienced any of my other microphones other than that one. So compared to the camera quality that I'm getting when I listen to myself on the YouTube videos, compared to that one seems pretty good, right? Well, here it is, guys. It's these things. These are the cheapest of cheap PC speakers. They are terrible. How can I demonstrate how terrible they are? Can we play some music? Let me go to studio. I've got to learn to play some copyright music. Hopefully Alexa's music wasn't copyright. So now we need audio. So, Silent Night, a nice Christmas song. I'm not sure if that's coming through, guys, but So there you go, guys. That's what I'm working with. That's probably why my sound, because I can't hear it when I'm editing, how good it is or not until I upload it to the video and listen to it on the TV, how bad it is. So maybe I can improve that if I improve these speakers, is my idea. So, what speakers, you ask? Am I going to improve it? Well, let's collect everything I have got for free off either Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, and Trash Nothing. If you're in the UK country, we also have Trash Nothing and Gumtree, or Free Cycle, whatever free sites that you use, but that's the ones I use. So let me get all of the pieces onto the table and we can start looking at how we're going to make this PC system sound better. Alright guys, so where do we begin? This is all the stuff I've collected. Just before we get started again, if you buy any of these vacuums to clean your PC from AliExpress, don't. They break after like 2 or 3 uses. It did pick up a little dust, not strong enough. Yeah, chuck them in the bin. Don't buy them. Alright, first up, while we were taking PCs apart in the past, we have managed to collect these things, which I've learned are sound blasters or whatever. So we may need these. Don't know. But you can see they have a bunch of ports on there for audio of some sort and mics. And whatever that is. Anyone know what that is? Let me know. But we might need to explore what sound cards do and what they are. So I don't know. And the reason I say that is mainly because of these speakers, which are shelf speakers, which I'd really like to use. These are JBL's Control 1. These are the only ones I did get that are decent. But this one's a bit dented, as you can see there. Needs a clean up. We also picked up some of these old looking speakers, but they're Yamaha. Bit dirty, discolorating, right speaker. Inputs, outputs, God knows, I don't even know where to begin. This one has power requirement. And we also have these Technic little speakers. And they came with a subwoofer, which was this thing. I believe, yeah, Technic. So I do have a subwoofer type arrangement, speaker output, line in, God knows how I've never used any of this kind of stuff before. I just hooked, basically the speakers I have there, I just plugged that in, which was a similar color connector like that, straight into the PC, and it worked. So that's what I've been using. So I have no idea how to hook these kind of type up. And then we also have this thing, again free. It's called the NQ Pro 2. So never opened it. We can open it together. Alright, looks like it's got some acrylic on the side, which could be for letting light through. It's got summer vision on the side. Again, cables. Looks like it's just a simple connector. Actually 2 of those. What's underneath? Oh, another subwoofer type arrangement. Okay. So there's a subwoofer for it with acrylic. I guess this lights up, judging by the picture on the front. Some buttons on top. Some cables. Now, don't worry about cables. I did collect a bunch of cables with some of this stuff, and they're in a bag somewhere. But I have them. And yeah, look, you can see there that this one lights up. So 2.1, 15 watt PC stereo subwoofer type. So those are the options, guys. Watching people online, I think we're going to probably say no to those ones, because we already have, I mean, we can have a listen to see if they're any better than the one I have, along with the subwoofer. And again, this comes with another power plug, so, oh no, those ones did have a power plug as well. So I don't know if these would sound better than the ones I have, but because it has a subwoofer, we will have some bass, because at the moment all we have is treble, no bass. What we want is no treble, all bass. All bass. How does that tune go? Bass, no treble. Alexa, all bass, no treble. What's that song called?
This device is at volume 3.
Okay, fair enough. Anyway, looking at people, where was I? Looking at people online, the majority of them seem to go for these bookshelf type speakers. These are heavy. I assume they're going to have tweeter, mid-range and bass or whatever, something like that. But I know nothing about audio. Now, you can mount these via a screw here. You have an input and output. No, they only have input. So you pull that down, put some cable wire in there. And what else? Where does the power? How do you power these? Are they self-powered? Can't be. You need to add power to them, right? Oh, again, there's just cable, no power. So that's strange. You don't have to put power to these. I'm going to have to look this up. Or I think what you might need is some sort of amp, like an amp control unit. Or could I use something off one of these? Let's have a look at this unit. Right, I think we could use this audio input, speaker output. So I might have to. No idea, guys. I have no idea how we do this. Okay, judging by this, let's hook this one up first because we have a complete unit here that's almost, well, it looks like it's brand new. So I guess we put this into the PC, right? And then these speakers go into this unit like so. Okay, so now we have these two speakers hooked up to this unit, which I'm guessing is going to act as some sort of amp. Now what I'm wondering, if I was to cut these wires off, could I put these onto that? Wouldn't that be something? This one does have a cable attached to it already, so how would you do that? So that's something I've got to figure out. Now these ones, these feel beefy. Yamaha, I bet they're going to be good as well. I just don't know how to hook any of this up to the PC, guys. Like, there's so many connections. To the left speaker, output, DC power. Okay, so I got to right speaker, there's only one connection there. To left speaker, and there's only one connection there. What does that mean? How do I connect this to the PC? Alright, you can adjust the volume on this one. Half, just in case we manage to put it on. But again, I don't know how you hook them up. Okay, so for sure we can hook this one up as it sounds. So we could probably do that now. So let's do that and see what we get. Okay guys, so I've got this, what is it called? NQ Pro 2 hooked up. So what I've done, and I've also connected it to my Bluetooth phone, if that's what the beeping you can hear. So these two speakers go in here, left and right. Then these two left and right connections go in to my PC, right? But nothing's happening. So anything, even if I try and play something on
primary subwoofer and connect it to the main input of the second
it's working.
Sub.
Well, it wasn't working.
This sends an identical signal from the primary to the secondary sub.
Okay, so that's coming from my phone. Hold on a minute. Ooh, that's pretty loud. Right, now how do I get this working with my PC? So it doesn't work with my PC, but it works with my phone. But now it's stopped working. It's very finicky. Is there a loose connection in here or something? So the only way I can get this Bluetooth speaker working is by playing Spy on my phone. And it does work. And they're actually not bad. So I would go with this, but I can't get it to work on my PC. So that moved me over to this one, which I'll show you now. I'll just turn this off. What I'll do is I'll probably just use this in probably a Bluetooth speaker, and that's all it's good for at the minute. If anyone knows any drivers, I don't know if it's a driver issue, but I can't seem to find a driver for this NQ Pro 2 Some Vision 15 watt 2.1 subwoofer, stereo subwoofer system. I just don't know how to get this working with the PC. Anyway, which is unfortunate because the subwoofers are good. The speakers I was going to try and maybe desolder and plug it into the bookshelf speakers. That would have been my setup. That was going to be a decent enough plan. Now, let's move over to this one, which I'll show you what this sounds like. Okay, so I've plugged this in just with a plug and a cable to the PC, and it works. But as I turn it up, again, it's very tinny, so these speakers are not as, just the same actually as the speakers I already have, but you are getting the added bass here. So here's what I'm wondering, can I change these out for either these speakers here or the bookshelf speakers, which are these ones here? Because the only connection these guys have is this. I don't know if that's going to work. It says plus and minus. Is that an option, guys? Can I just connect these speakers to that? I'll tell you what, let's try it. So I'm just going to try and undo one of them. see what we find. So there's two cables, a red and a black one. Let's just unsolder that and put it on here. See what happens. I guess we can move this speaker out of the way now because it's not going to do for us. But yeah, if anyone knows of a driver or something I'm missing here because this ain't working, I did try disconnecting the Bluetooth from the PC as it recognizes a Bluetooth speaker. That didn't work. No, run out of ideas of what to try, guys. So an ordinary guy like me can't figure that one out. So I need someone out there to tell me. Yeah, let's move this to the side now. Alright, well actually we don't need to solder because we have cable connected here already. So maybe I can just touch the other side. Let's see what happens. No, nothing. So I'm going to desolder it and then connect it. Connect it directly. It should work, right? No, nothing. So how do these speakers work? Because it only has an input cable, input and input. So how does it get power? That's what I don't understand. Do these come off? They do come off, but again, no power. Alright. I don't understand how these get power to work. All they have is two connectors at the back. And this ain't giving it. No, so that didn't work. So maybe there's not enough power coming from. Yes. Okay, it worked, guys. So it's coming out of the. Yeah. I'm just holding it. I just got to connect this better. Fantastic. Okay, they do sound good actually. We're getting the bass and we're getting this kind of going on. And that's full blast, so it's not distorting. It's this thing here though that's a bit jank, this thing here. Alright, what I'm going to do, I think we need a thicker cable to bite into the back like it's doing here. We need longer cables so we can position them where we want them to position, and we're going to then solder it to these. Alright, that's the new plan for now. And you might be wondering, what about these speakers? Well, I mean, these have connectors. I don't know if I've lost their stuff, or maybe they gave me another bag, but yeah, I mean, we can try these at another date, but I think that's what we're going with at the minute. I think this is what we've got. We're going to connect it up. I think what I also could do is the speakers I have already connected, the old ones, is probably unsolder them and put them directly to there without a subwoofer. Would you want a subwoofer? Did it make any difference? Well, we have it, so we might as well. Do we want a subwoofer? It's just another thing, isn't it? Or do we want to just try it with just the 2 book speakers attached? So we know the concept works. If I just plug it into here, I think because we know it works now with the subwoofer, we'll just go with that. And then maybe another time we can just quickly disconnect. Alright, I know what I'm doing. Let's clear up. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get this wire completely out of its original shell here, just like that. I just tied it in with a knot, like so. Now we can clear this one away. I'm going to put the screws back so we know where they came from. Okay, so basically I've stripped this one back as much as I wanted. I could actually just maybe try it. Actually, let's just try and put it in here. Yeah, that's working, guys. So literally I just stripped this out of here and plugged it into the back of one of these JBSLs, and it seems to be playing wonderfully. No soldering. No soldering required. It's fantastic. Okay, so there's enough length on this cable to be able to put this speaker pretty far away by about 1 meter. So I think I'm good with that one. How far is this one? This is about 1 meter as well. Let's do the other side. 2 screws missing there already. Someone's already been in here. I actually think I'm going to chuck these speakers anyway. But these screws are good, so I might hang on to them. I'm going to keep these screws. I'm going to chuck these away because they're no good. And I don't want to give them to you guys because I don't want to give you crap. I don't want to give you crap stuff when I do my giveaways, although sometimes I have given in the early days some crap stuff. Sorry about that. But we're getting better. More subscribers, the better the giveaways, right? That's the deal. Unless I can grow a bonsai tree. As always, with brand new second-hand stuff, we gotta give it a very good clean. Now that we know it works, so we didn't waste time. Now to try and fix this dented. Oh, it just popped back, so that's not bad. A few little dents. Yeah, you're not going to get it perfect. Well, that's not too bad. Hey, can I show you the dent? There's a dent there. But I'll take it. Beggars can't be choosers. Oh, look at that. That needs a good clean. Okay. Oh boy. I'm going to not show you this on camera, but that's dirty. A lot of cleaning today, a lot of cleaning. Sounding good though. Not struggling at all. Hopefully my audio and my videos will be better for you now because I can hear what it sounds like. I'm going to need more tissue. Okay, this side's all cleaned up as well, and this cage actually isn't too bad, so this can go straight back on. And now we connect it. And yeah, who would have thought, guys, we're going to have some JBL, are they JBL? Yeah, JBL bookshelf speakers. You can connect them to any kind of subwoofer system part for the PCs. Didn't know that was going to work. And literally, all I've done is use this line out cable, which has 2 connectors to it, and plugged it straight into the speakers. And I'm going to show you. So once I've finished stripping this, putting this in here, and then I'll place these speakers in place of these ones, and then I'll show you the final reveal. How about that? Alright guys, well, for some reason both of them won't work together. I don't know why. I don't know if there is a break in this cable along the way, but I swapped this one which was working over to this one, and now this one's working and this one's not. So it's not the speakers. So I've tried different ways of connecting the speaker and it won't work. So I don't know if there's either not enough power coming through here to do both. I don't get that. I don't understand that. But again, I don't know anything about audio and I'm just confused. So we can try, we can only have one speaker working at any one time until I figure out how you actually get bookshelf speakers working at the same time. But I could try dismantling my original speakers here and seeing if they would just power these 2 alone on their own. So I think I'm going to try that first and then we will do the reveal. So what I'm going to do is the same thing, dismantle those speakers, plug them into here and see if they would power these on their own. Okay guys, we're getting somewhere further. I don't know if you can see that, but I still have this plugged up and hooked up and powered on here. Inside there is a power unit board, and listen to this. I got the speaker over there working, right? And there's that speaker there, so I can get both of them working, but I need to keep this unit so I can power it on and off. So I guess I could just hide that behind, but yeah, we still have to keep the unit and then just obviously put this wire to it. So let me do that. So let me solder that onto here, tidy it all up, place the speakers where they need to be, and show you the final reveal. I think this is the way I'm going to go. So I'm going to keep this. There's going to be no subwoofer. I like the sound of it as it sounds without the subwoofer. Pretty clean. And I haven't got another hand to turn it up, but we can turn it up. So yeah, I think that's the way I'm going to go, guys. Let me, like I said, solder that, put the speakers where they should be, and then show you the final setup. Alright guys, listen to this. We're here to show you the reveal. So that's what we have now. We have the bookshelves just resting on the corners of either side of the PC. We have the keyboard, we have the monitors. There's the little control unit in the middle there, so that's how I turn on the speakers and control the volume. I have to figure out a way to have bookshelf speakers without that. Don't know at the moment. I believe you need an amp, some small little amp that we can have instead of that. But until I find one for free, this is what we got for now. There's the PC. That should add another 5, maybe 0.2 FPS to gaming. And yeah, listen to this. Much more crisp. It's much more crisp. I can hear the bass. I can probably edit videos better now knowing what it sounds like properly. Hopefully. I'll probably still mess it up, but don't worry. And that's it guys, where are we at? Probably the final piece that I have picked up. I haven't picked up anything I believe that might be better. Maybe I've got something. But next video we're going to see if this PC can now game after 2 years of finding free stuff and upgrading along the way. This is where we're at. I'm not going to do a giveaway on this video because I'm a bit tired now because of this. I'd have to figure it all out. I know it seems short for you, but it was long for me. I didn't understand how it all worked, and now I do because I was messing around with the other speakers. Don't forget to subscribe guys, and yeah, if you've got old PC speakers, you need some sort of control unit to be able to control both speakers. The other control unit wasn't powerful enough to do both speakers. Maybe I don't know why that wouldn't work, but I would have used that one instead of this scenario, but I ended up going this route. So happy with that. This is where we're at. It's much louder. I mean, it's going to, when I play the game, when I play a game, it's going to blast the house down. Free speakers again, guys. Yeah, Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, YouTube. No, not YouTube. YouTube give free stuff away, yeah. Free Cycle. And yeah, check them out. So, next video. Definitely going to try and see if this game is not only a PC, but a gaming PC. And then we're just going to carry on next year, guys. If I don't speak to you before Christmas, have a Merry Christmas. Alexa, what do you think of the new speakers?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Alexa, tell the audience a joke.
What's the smallest biscuit?
What's the smallest biscuit?
Shortbread.
A shortbread. Yeah, it's not bad, not bad.